Tell me about the way you speak. Is that something you're working on?
Man, I'm so goddamn confused, man.
Listen. Mariah Carey didn't ask to be light-skinned. She did.
Yeah.
She got songs with all the thugs. She didn't ask to be there.
Who is a coon?
Who is a coon?
That's all I'm saying.
Who is a coon, Anthony?
Like if he had to name somebody,
I can't call nobody no coon. I can't call nobody no coon. That's why I'm defending it. I don't think it's working that way.